All right, people, I'm crazy excited to unbox this package I got. It's from Cold Break. This is a cooler that I've wanted for like ever. And I just want to show you what this bad boy looks like. And I cannot freaking wait to go through all of this and to like show you guys what I can make with this thing. Because this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life. So let's open this bad boy up. So Cold Break is a cooler, but it's a cooler that specializes in cocktails. So check this out. We're gonna go over here. I'm gonna pull this bad boy down, get this bad boy out of here. Bag, Cold Break gear. Pretty excited. It's got all my attachments. It's got a cup. That's important. You want to read that before you get going. Got my tap. This is for the keg, so to actually open and close it. This right here is to tighten the tap, and then whoop, nice little sticker. I love that. Now, let's get the main thing out of here. This is packaged super well, I will say, for transport. Whoop. Got a nice spill mat over here. Wow. And this, my friends, is going to be my new toy. I'm going to be making cocktails in this. I'm going to be doing some beers, some parties, some tailgating. This bad boy is going to be one of the coolest things I think I've ever worked with in my life. So check it out again. Cold Break. I will show you guys how to build it after, but it's pretty cool. You open her up. Got all your lines. Got your keg right over here that you can fill it with beer. You can put cocktails in here, run it through. Also, you actually get right over here some CO2 cartridges, as well as your line cleaner. That's going to be super important. We don't want any mold or anything coming through, so that's awesome that that's provided with the package. So guys, I cannot wait to show you this amazing product, and I cannot wait to play around with this.